Olivia, what are you making?
Cookies.
Yeah? What kind of cookies?
Benny.
Yeah? Are they for Easter? Did you count them?
1, 2. This is 2. See? 1, 2.
Very good.
2. 1, 2, 3.
Very good. What about the rest of them?
1,
What if you counted all of
2,
them?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh my goodness.
All the cookies out. Like 2. I need some more.
They're right there. Get them out of the bag. You need a tissue maybe?
2, and 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
Ooh, smelly good.
It smells good. Okay. Yummy?
Yeah.
Great.
I think it's really yummy.
Okay, good.
It's really yummy.
Mm-hmm.
Tell me, wait.
Mm-hmm. You're going to put chocolate on some of them?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, sure, if you want to.
Almost. Please help me.
You need help?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, great job.
Really chocolate chips. These are all the chocolate chips.
You're going to put the chocolate chips on the cookies? All right, I'll come show you how to do it, okay?